A very healthy, very easy, very cheap, lazy recipe. Quarantine style. And we begin with lechuga, lettuce, romaine, corn, onion, colors of the rainbow like tomato. They're good for you. I don't even need to tell you what for. Just eat them. Oh, garbanzos. Yes, I ate half the can before filming this. Don't judge me. They're so good. Cilantrito. Yes, I use a lot because, I don't know, I'm Latina. I like herbs. They're detoxing. Limoncito. On todito. I'm Mexican. At least half, so... when I say limon, I mean the green one, not the yellow one. Speaking of yellow, mostacita. And that's my dressing, oil-free. Very simple, very easy, very cheap and very lazy. Oh yeah, chilito with some cayenne and love. Don't forget love, guys. Lots of love. If you want to see more recipes like this one, let me know in the comments. Like, comment, don't forget to subscribe. And also hit notifications so you know whenever these crazy videos come out. Bye.